What's up, guys? It is time for the Cleanest giveaway on YouTube. So guys, we are giving away a bottle of the regular spray bottle of Superclean and a can of the aerosol Superclean as seen in this clip right here. And this stuff's really good. It works great. I'm glad Superclean just give me a chance to do this giveaway for y'all. Y'all have 2 weeks, not this Saturday's live stream, but the next Saturday live stream, we will be picking the winner. So this is what you gotta do. You gotta be in the United States. First of all, sorry about that, guys. It's just how it is. 18 years old. Comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And be in not this Saturday's live stream, but the next Saturday's live stream, 8 p.m. Central Time. I will put the date and time down in the description of this video for your chance to win some Superclean. It's a great product. I hope one of y'all great viewers will win it. And yeah. So, thanks everybody for watching. I will see y'all on the next one.